Namhlanje kumsombuluko mfethu ngiphethe enye itopic engicabanga ukuthi ibalekile. Ngifuna sikhulume mfethu ngobungozi be-victim mentality. Victim mentality. Le ndaba ukuthi njalo uhlezi uyibona ongathi impilo wena ikunikeza inkinga, abanye abantu ongathi impilo yabo right, uhleze kubheda kuwena kuphela. Leyo nto bayibiza nge-victim mentality mfethu. Inakho nje ubungozi obukhulu mfethu engizobuveza nje manje njengoba sesikhuluma. Ngonyaka udlule nje mfethu, I think it's about 8 months ago mfethu, kade ngine meeting kwenye province. Ngivamile ukuba nama-meeting nalabo bantu bekade nginama-meeting nabo. Ngithi mangiqeda mfethu, ngimbona omunye usisi esivama ukuba naye ku-meeting ku-boardroom. It happened ukuthi kusale mina naye ngisaqoqa yabo. Ngithi ngiyabuka ngimbona ukuthi namhlanje ongathi akekho right. Ebese ngiyakhuluma naye ngithi hawu, namhlanje ongathi akukho right kwenze njani? Athi I know 2 months ago I buried my mom, so I'm still struggling with it, you know. Mfethu ngizame-ke mfethu ukuthi ngishare istory so relate naye, you know, and then I found myself mfethu using the story that is very out there. I've written a book about them, about the loss of a child, you know. Ngithi ngimtshena lesi story mfethu avesana athi Thulane mfethu ngicela ungayi lapha yabo, and then ngicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe she's trying to be sympathetic, you know. Ngiqhubeke ngisishare istory sami mfethu, you know, ngizama ukuthi ngishare ukuze ngirelate naye. Avesana insist athi ngicela ungayi lapho yabo. Athi umesuka athi Thulane, I have lost ingane ezu4, you know. Yeah, right there mfethu, ngaswela nje indawo ukucasha cause I thought I was reaching out to this person ukum-encourage only to find ukuthi lo muntu lona mfethu selahlekelwe ingane ezu4. Why ngishare le story mfethu? Khona abantu mfethu, I think after le meeting mfethu, ngathi bangiphuma kuyona mfethu, in my head into eyayiringa ukuthi at times sihambe around as if impilo embi noma izinto ezimbi zenzeka kuthina kuphela. It's only when you start to talk to abanye abantu then you get to realize ukuthi hayibo bengitsho ukuthi izinto ezimbi zenzeka kumina kuphela. Abantu abane-victim mentality into ebashaya kakhulu ukuthi ababe nakho ukucabanga ukuthi abanye abantu bayadlula enkingeni. Bona bahlezi bebona ngathi inkinga zenzeka kubona kuphela, you know. So ngisho ubuka omunye umuntu ubona ngathi nje abanye abantu bamnandi bazalwe befumbethe inkinga imina kuphela obhekene nazo. Now abantu abaningi abane-victim mentality ukuthi abakhulu because whenever i-opportunity yokukhula ifika bona bahlezi beqhakambisa inkinga, mina ngakhula kanjena, mina akukho wrong ukushare i-upbringing yakho nama-challenges obhekene nawo. But it's a challenge when you believe ukuthi izinto ezimbi zenzeka kuwena kuphela. Ngidlule lapho mfethu, I was this happened la emhlanga mfethu 21 years ago. Ngishaya ingadi la. Mangishaya ingadi mfethu liyashisa ilanga, sweltering day mfethu, you know. Mangithi ngiyabuka kufika omunye umbhemi mfethu, ngishaya ingadi ngaphandle, ngishaya ipiki nefosholo na yonke lento. Kufika omunye umbhemi mfethu hamba ngemoto enkulu nje, yabo nje, I'm not gonna mention igama layo, but yabo yes ubona ukuthi insizwa lena idliza hamba nelikapondo and I'm busy working outside mfethu in the heat. And kwafika ithought kumina, athi kumina ithought buka lo mjida mfethu uhamba ngemoto emnandi kanjani, liyashisa ilanga, amawindi aphezulu, ushaya i-aircon. Ebese kuba khona into ethi kumina lo mjida akasazi struggle sakho, you know. Right there mfethu kwakhona ithought mfethu yafika nje immediately izo rebuke le. Ithi ungathi umubona umuntu enento enhle bese uyitshena ukuthi akasazi struggle sakho. Abantu abaningi mfethu bashawa yilo nto, uvuma ukuthi mase besibuka mhlawumbe umuntu akubuke mhlawumbe usesimene esithile abese eyitshena ukuthi hayi wena mfethu wavesana wabekwa kulento kuyona. I-victim mentality yenza lo nto. Uthi umbuko omunye umuntu ekhuluma ku-TV noma ekhuluma ku-radio uthi hayi vese laba abasazi struggle, you know. You are always feeling like mfethu izinto ezimbi zenzeka kuwena, you know. Nabantu ongabazi kulula ukuba assume mfethu ngoba umbona hamba ngemoto enhle uthi hayi vese lona mnandi mfethu akasazi struggle sami. I-victim mentality mfethu iyakurobha ukuthi u-understand ama-challenges abanye abantu. Njalo uma uwalk, yes, njalo uma uwalka into a crowd kube ngazuthi kufana kuzwelane nawe ngoba wena mfethu wenzakalelwe izimo ezinkulu. I always say this mfethu, be careful ukuthi uma uwalka into a room noma a crowd u-assume ukuthi mfethu impilo wena kuphela esakushayile mfethu, ngoba ngelinye ilanga similar to the story engiqale ngaso uzothi uyakhuluma mfethu uthola omunye umuntu oworse kunawe, you know. I-victim mentality iyasiphuca leyo nto mfethu. I-victim mentality mfethu kwenza uhleze unaleyo nto. Uma ubona umuntu omhlophe uphumelele uthi hayi vese ngoba bamhlophe, you know.
Victim mentality.
Yes, hayi vese ngoba babelungu, you know. Ubona abantu mfethu abaphumelele uthi hayi ngoba vese wafunda nabelungu, ingoba vese ukhuluma isingisi kangcono kunami, you know. Mina vese ngakhulela emakhaya, vese mina ngikho connected, you know. Vese mina nginamabhadi, you know. You are always grabbing things or embracing izinto engezinhle. Yes. Yazi sengizoconclude mfethu, the worst thing nge-victim mentality ukuthi iyayibulala i-potential, you know. khona abantu right now abasema-office afana bakhule kubona but akukhuleki ngobani i-victim mentality izovesane ikutshena ukuthi hayi vese lana vese kuno-connection lana vese banabangani babo wena ngeke uze upromote and then when you believe or you have that mentality awukwazi ukufaka i-effort because ngeke uzuyifake i-effort when you've already told yourself ukuthi ayikho into enhle ezophuma kuwena. Incwadi yade ngiyishaya last week mfethu khona umama waseNdiya mfethu kuthiwa u-Indra Nooyi, you know. Lo mama waye-America student mfethu umefika e-America uyabuka mfethu i-America ukuthi kudominate abantu besilisa futhi abamhlophe yena ungowesifazane waseNdiya uthi uthe ufunda mfethu ecampusini wadecide wathi yazi ukuthini there are two things ezenzakalayo la ecampusini khona abantu abayizishoshovu who are always striking mfethu bethi balola amalungelo kube khona abanye abantu who are always at the library studying wathi mina I'm gonna choose to be at the library and study. Wafika mfethu kwi-environment edominate abantu besilisa lo mama mfethu udume kakhulu ngokuthi waba yi-CEO yase-Pepsi, you know.
Yes.
Ufike kwi-environment engavumi but because ubengenayo i-victim mentality ukuthi ngumuntu wesifazane futhi ngwaseNdiya ngokuhamba la e-America angeke ngize ngithuthuke. Mfethu she swim against the tide mfethu.
Wow.
That's all I needed to say today. Ikakhulukazi thina abantu abamnyama lento ukuthi yathakathwa mfethu namabhadi nazo zonke lezi zinto angikuphiki lokho but abanye bethu it's a victim mentality. It's holding us back mfethu. Zifike ezinye izizwe mfethu zifike la eSouth Africa zingekho mfethu educated ziwabamba ama-opportunities because they don't have a victim mentality. Today as you go into your office or your office is either useteksini noma uyadriver the person next to you unestori ongakaze asishare mfethu ngelinye ilanga umesishare you'll be shocked. Right now you feel like life has done you wrong. Life is giving you a short end of the stick. God is love. Rise today mfethu and stop victim mentality because you'll never grow with the victim mentality. God is love.
Yeah. Boom, man.